Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. Alright, so today we're giving you an overview of Safemoon. So this is going to be an update on Safemoon. Safemoon wallet now available out on Google Play as well as Apple iOS. So if you want to get your hands on the Safemoon wallet, make sure you guys go check it out on the Play Store as well as on the App Store. So on here we have the total amount burned, about 428 trillion at this point in time. It's almost 3 million holders, so definitely grown quite significantly as amount of the people that are holding Safemoon. Safemoon protocol is community focused, fair launch DeFi token. So reflections, 5% is reflected to all holders for passive income. LP acquisition, 5% is added to the liquidity pool. And then as far as burn is concerned, a burn wallet receives a portion of the reflections to never be seen again. So it's constantly growing in value because of that burn wallet. So let's go to a price point. This is a live chart of Safemoon. We can see on here that they did have a spike around the 29th of October, but since then they've kind of been on a little bit of a lull. So we're going to be looking to see if they can jump back up from this lull that they had after the 29th. So they had a nice little rally from the 14th, jumping all the way up on the 29th to this high level. If we zoom out, it was almost an all-time high level for them, if not an all-time high level. They had another peak right here on the 29th, which is kind of where they currently are at, but it did set up a new resistance level. So new resistance basically means it's been hovering at this one level for quite some time, and this has become the new bottom. Before that, the previous bottom was kind of at this level right here, where you can see it happened between August to about the beginning of October, end of September. So that was the previous bottom. It shot up to a new high around the 29th and then found a new bottom. So in my opinion, I think it's just waiting for another breakout. Potentially some more news on the horizon could help this, and different developments coming from SafeMoon themselves. So as far as updates are concerned, they do have Safe Moon Sunday, so we'll be talking about some of the articles and some of the things on here, give you an update on some of those. But first, what I want to talk about is Safe Moon V2. So it says how to migrate my Safe Moon tokens to V2. It says, do you use the Safe Moon wallet app? If not, on here it says you need to use another wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance, Chain Wallet, Math Wallet, or have access to the Wallet Connect DApp from your wallet. Then it says, are your tokens on the exchange? And then it basically steps you through the process on how to do so. So with this, it says go to swap.safemoon.net and collect your wallet to consolidate. So basically, it's telling you how to go and use it for um, V2. So make sure you guys go do that so that you can keep your coins moving forward for the V2 that is coming pretty soon. So on here, as far as updates are concerned, SafeMoon hashtag V2 update. You have deployed successfully, now working on the UI and the app. Seamless transition is essential. Launch will be a surprise, but soon. So hopefully, you guys aren't caught off guard. You're able to transfer over to V2. Will SafeMoon V2 give extra control over tokenomics, or will it be independent of exchanges? It says we want to preserve tokenomics. We'll be ready for whatever comes, and then we won't compromise our reach or scale. So I think a lot of people are waiting for V2 as well, and I do like the updates that they're giving so far. Next on here we have Safe Moon Army community question. What legacy will the Safe Moon Army leave behind? Then on here it says ability to move forward after every obstacle, always continue to fight the FUD, and then battle ready community and team. So one thing that I do like about Safe Moon is that they continuously give you updates every Sunday about the different things that are going on in the community, and they seem to answer just about everybody's question on here. So I think the SafeMoon V2 transition will be a smooth one, in my personal opinion. Will multiple wallets be supported on SafeMoon V2? It says yes, we finished multiple wallets and private keys. will ensure key features are there. And then it says transaction will be as seamless as possible. So if you are worried about switching over with your coins, make sure you go rewind the video and go back and look at that video graphic, which basically explains everything you need to do to get ready for V2. And then another question, would it make sense to consider a coin so we don't have to go back to a token? V2 is our priority now, and it will allow us to stepstone into another partnerships. A product is never done; it's always improving. So they're not saying no that they won't. They're just saying they're trying to improve this currently. Will Safemoon V2 be same as blockchain, or will it depend, or will it be deployed separately? V1 and V2 is the same token, whereas the blockchain is a different animal. Which I do understand that question. It was definitely a weird question that was asked. Um, Consolidate and improve current contract first, and upgrade to blockchain when we're ready. And then on here it says Safe Moon Army V2 Special. Huge thanks to the people on here who they're shouting out. So definitely a lot of updates coming for Safe Moon. So make sure you look at Safe Moon V2. They don't really have a date when they're going to be launching. But definitely seems to be something that they're doing pretty soon on the horizon. Drop a comment down below. Are you excited about Safe Moon V2, or do you think they should keep what they're currently doing and grow from that? Write down in the comment section. Make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm for the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.